Everyone at one time or another gets a flat tire. Whether it's from a nail, a pothole, or that evil neighbor of yours, sooner or later you will be stuck with this problem. When this happens, you may not have friends nearby to help you out. That's why today I'm going to teach you how to change a tire. Make sure to refer to your owner's manual to find the location of your spare tire and tools, and the proper jacking locations. Once you have retrieved your tools and your tire, make sure to loosen the bolts on the flat tire before jacking up the vehicle. Once the bolts are loosened, you may then lift the vehicle. Make sure to jack the vehicle high enough that the tire is off the ground. Once the wheel is off the ground, you may then use your wrench to loosen the nuts the rest of the way. Once the flat tire is removed, you may now place the spare tire. Make sure the tire is placed all the way on the wheel, and then, as much as you can hand tighten the nuts. Make sure to tighten the nuts in a crisscross pattern, tightening the one directly across from the other so that the wheel is placed evenly. After you've tightened them as much as you can, take your wrench and tighten them the rest of the way. Once you are done, you may want to shake the tire to make sure that it is secure. Kicking the tire is a good way to make sure that it is securely bolted to the wheel. Once you are done, you may lower the jack and place the tire back on the ground slowly. With the tire now on the ground, it would be wise to take your wrench to each of the nuts and give them one more good turn to make sure that they are tight. After watching this video, hopefully you feel confident that you will know what to do if faced with this problem. Oh, and one other thing. When changing your tire, the most important thing you need to remember is Koopa, what are you doing? You don't belong here. Turtles don't know how to change tires.